So it is cheaper for us. Imagine it's how it will be for
Right.
Europeans and
Europeans,
Americans. It's nothing for them. They just need to cover the flight expenses.
Right.
Once that is done, stay, food and all is nothing.
I think with just 500 or 600 euros, they can spend a month or something like that, 15, 20 days,
Definitely.
and they won't feel much. I think
And the lifestyle is also good.
better than Goa and all.
Better than those people staying in Europe. So those people who are earning less in Europe, they come to Bali and they work here.
Right.
And they'll live.
They
good
take
life
a
here.
Airbnb, I guess.
Yes.
Nice posh with pool and all. And
So they live a good life here
life,
than in Europe.
Right.
So you'll see a lot of Westerners and Australians coming there.
Nice. I think many foreigners are preferring Bali, Thailand, then India, Goa. They used to prefer Goa first. Goa is even we don't prefer Indians as Indians. We don't prefer Goa right now because
You know what? I have never been to Goa.
not even once.
Not even once. The thing is, whenever I plan Goa, I'll think, why should I have to go there? Thailand,
go to
Vietnam is just it's just away from here.
Just 10,000-15,000 flight, man.
Let's say if you
book in advance, you get very
you'll get for cheap. The thing is, there is no visa for Thailand and there is no visa for other Southeast Asian countries too. So it's like instead of traveling from, let's say, Chennai to Goa or Bangalore to Goa, that itself will cost me like 10,000 for flight one way. The same is going to be for Bangkok or Phuket or something.
Right.
There's no point in going to.
And you will have a lot better experience there than in Goa.
Definitely. And the stay is in fact cheaper in Bangkok and Thailand than Goa.
Yes,
in Goa, you have to spend like 1,500 per day per head.
That too, you get a okay hotel.
Yeah,
and
minimum
if you want
2,000,
a
I
3-star, minimum 4-star, you have to spend 4,000, 5,000.
Yes.
And food is very expensive there. Only drinks are a bit okay, but food is very expensive. For one fish, they take 500, 600 rupees.
It's better to go to
Thailand, that's what.
Southeastern Asia.
I was thinking first I thought I'll go to Goa. Then I thought, why to spend so much money? I'll go to Thailand. But no friend was ready to come with me.
They don't know that the abroad is so cheap. They think that abroad, we are going to abroad, we have to spend more, we have to spend a lot of bucks and all. But it's so cheap than going to Goa and Manali. See, even for Manali, you are coming from Pune.
Yes.
Of course, you would have come by flight. You would have spent at least 10K for the flights to Delhi and then come to Manali. The same expense you can go to Dubai or you can go to Thailand.
I can go to Thailand or Bali. Even Vietnam flights are less if you book in 2 months advance. So
You can find Vietnam flights for 8K today.
8K.
8K in Vietjet.